Exercise 7.1, 11th sum. Show that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. Where given f of x is equal to cos x minus 3 sin x 0, sin x cos x 0 and 0, 0, 1. Next we assume f of y and f of x plus y. We using the same matrix order and change x as well as y and x plus y. F of y is equal to f of y is equal to cos y minus sin y 0, then sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. So next we assume f of x plus y because same of all of degrees, and f of x plus y is equal to cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0, sin of x plus y cos of x plus y 0, 0, 0, 1. That's all the f of x plus y, and it is also in right hand side. So you just check the left hand side and get the answer. You take the left hand side f of x into f of y. So look at the f of x and f of y and take the multiplication. We just do the row to column multiplication. First row. So this is the first row and this is the first column. Check. Cos x into cos y. Cos x into cos y plus minus sin x and plus sin y. So you denote minus of sin x into sin y. And next 0 into 0 plus 0. That is the first array or first element. Next take the second row, first row, second column. Cos x into minus sin y. So minus of cos x into sin y and minus sin x plus cos y. Again minus of sin x into cos y, and last one 0 into 0 plus 0. And last first row, third column, cos x into 0, 0 and minus sin x into 0 plus 0, and last 0 into 1, 0. So full of 0 we have. And next take the second row and full 3 column multiplication. Sin x into cos y. You write it sin x into cos y minus cos x plus cos x into sin y. So cos x into sin y plus 0 into 0, 0. And second row, second row to second column, minus of sin x into sin y and plus cos x into cos y plus 0, and last one 0, 0 and full of 0. Second row, third column, sin x into 0, 0, cos x into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. So this is full of become 0. And last one is 0, third row and 3 column multiplication. 0 into cos y, 0, and 0 into sin y plus 0, and 1 into 0, 0. So it's full bar 0. Next, second column, 0 into sin y 0, 0 into cos y 0, and 0. So full become 0. And last one, 0, 0, 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1. So the answer will be 1. Now we are going to rewrite the formula for the full term. Cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Can you guess which formula will come for that? It is cos a plus b. So that we will write cos x plus y and plus 0 minus cos x sin y minus sin x cos y. So you take minus as a common, and then we write cos x into sin y plus sin x into cos y. So this formula is like a sin x plus y. So you may write sin of x plus y. And last one 0. Sin, same formula again, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So we will write sin of x plus y, and this is minus. We have the same formula like this. So you write cos of x plus y, and last time 0. Here also 0, 0, 1. So the right hand side and the left hand side are equal. Hence verified. You copy that. The important point is whether you are doing the multiplication of two matrices, you just see the element and sign. That is very important. You must aware of that. Then only you will get the answer. Question number 12. If A is a square matrix such that A square is equal to A, find a value of 7a minus I plus a the whole cube. We are using the square matrix as a square is equal to a. First we started with the 7a minus I plus a the whole cube. 7a minus of, there is the formula of a plus b the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube. The formula a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus a cube. This is the formula. Expanding, we just implies this I cube plus 3i square b. So I square is the value I square a plus 3 into I a square plus a cube. So this is the value of I plus a cube, a power, sorry, a the whole cube. Next step, you may write 7a minus I cube value 1 or I plus 3i square a. I square value 1. So the remainder value 3a plus I into a square, that is 3a square plus a cube. Here minus is out of the bracket, multiply to the bracket, I mean inner bracket. Minus I plus, minus 3a and minus 3a square minus a cube. Next we expanding the a value, because at the question they are giving a square is equal to a. Minus I minus 3a and minus of 3a square. We will write a, and here a cube a square into a. 7a minus I. 3a and 3a minus 6a. Here a into a again. Because a square is a. 7a minus 6a. The remainder is a minus I minus a into a square. A square value is a. Then we cancel it. The answer is minus I. This is the answer of 7a minus a plus I plus a the whole cube value.